Game over. How do you win this game in 2 moves? And don't yell it out. Everyone try to solve it.
I'm gonna see. Let me see. Who's turn? Oh, white to play.
Yeah, white to play. For all these guys, we're going to be playing white. Okay, in the green.
Me?
Yes,
What's your name?
I'm Ken.
It's Ken. Yeah.
Ken, cool.
Oh, I'm gonna watch your movie tomorrow.
You could move
Spartans,
move the queen to C8 and it's check, but if that's
What's the only thing black can do right here?
get the queen.
Yeah, that's the only way to get out is what?
Capture the queen.
You have to capture the queen, right?
Bishop.
Or they can block.
Oh, my bad. You can block, but why if you block then?
Yeah, but that would be a bad move.
Oh, look, you take the queen though.
And what do we do now?
You
Anthony.
could move the rook to E8.
Yes. Perfect. Guys, this is what we call a back rank checkmate, okay? 8th rank, 7th rank, 6th rank, okay? The ranks are horizontal, the files are vertical, up and down, okay? So, is this an F file or an F rank?
F5.
File. Is this a 7th file or 7th rank?
7th rank.
Yeah, perfect, okay. Now notice here, can black take the pawn?
No, that's on his team.
Can black jump?
No.
Can black hide?
Only knight.
No.
Okay.
Only if the king
Now-
is out.
Quick question. You guys, Ken was completely correct with throwing in the queen check. Why did we have to play this? Why is this right away not good?
Look at that sacrifice.
Why is this a bad move, guys, right away?
The bishop.
What will the bishop do?
They'll take the rook, and then when the queen goes to C8,
Right,
it's blocked.
exactly.
And they have enough time to.
So we have to distract this bishop, because if the bishop's not here,
If you remove the
We have
guard, you
checkmate.
get the treasure.
Yay!
okay, let's move on to the second one.
Do that again real quick. Do that again.
Wait, I see another way to checkmate.
So, where's the rook?
I see
Okay,
another way to
put the
checkmate.
rook up again. If he does that, okay, then the bishop attacks him, right? And then if I do this, what is black gonna do?
Oh, and move a pawn. He's just gonna
Move a
keep
pawn.
Gonna move the king
Move the king where?
to F8.
That's right. The king to F8 to protect the bishop and obviously avoid
Yeah.
checkmate, right? I just wanted to see that.
Yeah, that's good.
Listen, it's sacrifice, dude. We're just gonna let you know that you gotta make a sacrifice. Don't be afraid to make a sacrifice in chess. Where is he protecting?
You can move the queen to
Oh.
H7.
Yeah,
Ooh.
wow. Hey guys, is it usually good to trade a queen for a pawn?
I believe you.
No.
What?
At the start.
No, but.
And then the
But not never though. Not never.
and then
Can black run away?
No.
Can black like put a piece right here on this line? Can black run to the side?
No.
So they have to take, right? And then how do you finish it out?
the rook can move to H4.
Okay.
Yep, checkmate.
Hey guys, what's A stand for?
Checkmate.
Can anything attack that rook? What's B stand for?
Block.
Can anything block?
No.
Can that king run like a chicken for its life?
No.
Why can't the king go here to G8?
The knight.
What about G6?
Night.
What about G7?
The pawn.
H8?
The rook.
H6?
Rook.
Nice.
Knight.
That's a good one.
But
Someone said take the queen. Hey guys, when you see a good move, look for a better one. What's better than taking a queen? Aiden?
Checkmate.
There you go. Way better.
Hey guys, is this check or checkmate?
Checkmate.
Can white attack the rook? Can white block? Can white run like a chicken?
No.
The answer is no.
Queen Latifah's there. See?
Bishop or the
Nikki the knight or Bobby the bishop?
They don't even have names.
Or was there first? There you go. Okay. Okay.
All right, round of applause for
All
everyone.
right.
Back here, hey guys, can the king run to F8 now?
Oh, yes.
Can black take one of their pawns?
No one's on their
Can
team.
black go here?
No.
This is the only move. And then white can now go here. What's defending the queen?
Bishop.
Bishop.
So guys, we'll go back to the question after this.
Okay.
You guys are 4 for 4. Pay attention.
Hey guys, tires? Okay, we're gonna redirect our attention to.
Oh.
Nice. Round of applause.
Good job. Do that in slow motion for them to see.
Did you steal one of our pieces?
Yeah, what are you doing, dude? You think Christmas yet?
Sacrifice them.
And what does white do now?
Alright. B7.
Is that a good move?
No.
Why is
That's
it
A7.
so
Bye-bye,
good?
queen.
No, I can go tag. But I think I know, but there is a checkmate.
Okay. Alright, anyone see a mate in 3 here?
I see mate in 2.
Okay, that's it.
So queen to h6.
Okay. 1.
Oh.
that's
Oh.
Okay,
And
what's
then
next?
rook h1.
Okay. Is this check or checkmate, guys?
Checkmate.
Checkmate. That's checkmate.
Wait, no, it's not.
You guys are incorrect.
One more shot.
Oh, yeah.
When the bishop blocks, you just beat the bishop.
Okay, so that is a mate in
Wait.
3.
We're shifting.
This is the hardest one yet.
This is the hardest one. We're gonna do 1 4-move checkmate puzzle, and then I've decided we're gonna have a little mini chess tournament. Okay, so we're gonna do it today after the puzzle, and then we're gonna play the tournament today, and then we're gonna do it when we come back from recess and snack, and then we're gonna continue it tomorrow. And then I'm gonna bring trophies and medals and stuff. We're gonna have a little cool chess tournament.
We just call this juicy, okay? Just to let you know. Okay? That's not what I would have said, but apparently it's juicy. So what is the mate in 4? Mate in 4.
I don't see it. This is a smothered.
Don't yell it out. Don't yell it out.
I think I see it.
I see no.
Guys, listen up to Ken. What's your idea?
We can move the knight to F7.
Okay.
Yeah, sit on your bottom.
That's juice.
Okay. The juicy puzzle has begun. Where would black go now? Okay.
Yeah, that's the only thing you can do, right?
Oh, that's it. And then Ken, what's your next move?
You could move the knight to
Just got it.
6H.
H6.
Bye-bye, knight.
Yep, H6, that's correct. So, guys, when I'm saying a square, we're going to go letter and then number, okay? So what square is this?
H6.
G.
Whoa.
Oh, wait.
Right here?
G4. Bye-bye.
E6. D2. C4.
Okay, just to let you know, this is called a double check. Now, we have our ABCs of chess, right? In a double check situation, can you block? If I have 2 pieces checking me at once, can I block this one? Can I block this one? No.
You'll still be in
Because
chess.
there's still going to be checked. So here, there's no block.
The knight can't block at all.
That's exactly right.
Run like
Okay.
a chicken.
Okay, that's the knight.
Now, if the king goes here, how do we checkmate right now?
The rook.
Yep.
Queen, F7.
Perfect.
Good job, Blake.
Nice. Game over.
Blake, don't make a mistake.
So we've made 2 moves so far. What happens if black goes here? Ken?
Oh, if he goes there, we could move our queen to
G7.
G7?
no G8.
G8.
That would
Okay.
be a
Hey guys, by the way, is this checkmate?
G7 isn't possible.
Why is this not checkmate?
Because you're blocking the
That is
Right. The king can just go right back. But Ken has this move.
And then it would be
Can the king
what's
take?
that? No.
How many moves is that? Is that the
This
second
is
one?
3.
Oh, yeah,
It's the
that's
third
a
one.
good one. That's a good one.
That's a good one.
You know what?
It's still not checkmate.
What does black have to play here?
It is checkmate.
No, it's not. No, the rook can attack the queen.
No.
Hey guys,
Yes, he can.
can we do this?
No.
Can we do this?
No.
This?
No.
This?
No. We can.
This?
Yes.
What does white do now?
Shh, raise your hand.
Raise your hand.
This is for 6 pieces of broccoli with no cheese or
Ew. Hey, guys, quiet down, Audrey. What?
Knight F7.
Knight F7.
Oh, good job, Audrey.
Oh.
You just started chess. You never even played chess in your life, huh? Today's your first day?
No,
I'm just kidding, guys.
He's an OG.
That's a smothered.
Okay, guys, this is called a smothers mate, okay?
He's an orange.
Smothers mate. We throw in a check. What does black have to play? G8. We throw in a double check.
You know what's cool, real quick? That's a double check, but it's also called a peekaboo check. Because the queen is there.
Discovering an attack.
Discover check or peekaboo check.
Oh,
Yeah.
that's a check.
And if the king goes to the
The
corner,
king just discovered the
we give up our queen so that when we do check,
He's buried.
it's a checkmate because
mate.
the king cannot take any of its own pieces.
It's also a foreign.
What did he was?
Hey, boys, pay attention, man. Look at this. Smothered. Wow, look at that checkmate. That's a checkmate. It's the king is smothered.
The king can
Or you can
move
call it a
because of
sardines
its own
mate.
pieces.
Sardine can. You know a sardine can? They're all in there like.
Yeah, they look pretty sad.
Yeah, that's squares
Yeah.
and can.
I trying to eat healthy, and I came home and
Yeah.
opened the cupboard, and there's Oreos there, and I was like, want to eat like a healthy salad, or then the Oreo, and I was stressed out the whole day.
Yeah,
So the Oreo looked at me and he goes, "Did you have a bad day?"
Maybe it's stressed back.
So I said, "Yes."
They do that too, man.
Is that you too?
Yeah, they talk
They
really
talk.
loud.
They talk loud. Yeah. But broccoli doesn't really talk. It just sits there like.
Just.
Yeah, yeah.
Like a vegetable.
They play dress up all day and act as a tree.
What? Vegetable. Yeah, that's a good one. Vegetables do dress up. They get dressing on them. You fell into that one. That was good. Now we
Gotcha.
created a joke together, right?
I put the dress.
You know what's the only the vegetable I eat? Well, you know what's the only vegetable that you can step on?
Tomato?
Squash. Your name down, and then you're gonna challenge somebody else, another person who got a checkmate. We're gonna add up all the checkmates by the end of tomorrow, and then we're gonna make the announcements for the awards. Okay? And then we're not doing touch move, which is pretty strict, but we might do that during our tournaments, like our summer tournaments or in the after school. Touch move is if you touch the piece, you have to move that piece. Obviously, it's got to be a legal move. If you touch a rook, you can't move it, so obviously. But a touch move is if you touch the piece, you got to move it. But we're not doing that. Okay. Yes. Anything else?
I see a couple boards. Hey guys, what color does the black queen go on?
Black.
What color does the white queen go on?
That's white.
Right, there you go.
Good job.
Okay.
All right, shake your partner's hand. Let the chess tournament begin.